can you grow in the Oakland Gardens root trainers? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to talk about what you can grow in the root trainers. We've had a lot of questions on one of my posts of what you can actually grow in them, and these are absolutely perfect because they're strong, they're not the flimsy plastic, and they detach so that you can just take the plant straight out without having to disturb the roots. Now, the perfect plants to grow in these are all your beans, so like your runner beans, your French beans, your broad beans, even peas. They're all brilliant because they have such long roots on them. Next up is sweet corn, another great vegetable to grow. Now, I might grow my sweet corn in these after I've grown my sweet peas because I'm growing sweet peas in mine for the time being. Also, the best vegetables to grow in them are your cucumbers, your courgettes, your pumpkins, your squash and your melons, because the thing is with them is that they do not like to be disturbed or transplanted, and they can get very flimsy around the seed when you're transplanting them. So these are perfect because obviously, like I said, once they get to a good size, then you can detach the trays and separate them and just take the plant out nice and easy without having to disturb the roots. And you can get them to a good size in here before you transplant them onto another pot to get them to a decent size. Now, as I mentioned, I'm growing sweet peas in mine because sweet peas are my absolute favourite, and it's time for sowing those at the moment. So the other flowers that you can grow in these are sunflowers, which again, I'm going to be growing millions of sunflowers this year. I've got so many different varieties to grow down here, from yellow, orange, red, black, all different varieties of sunflowers because they attract the bees and they're great for pollination and great to just view them. So we're going to be growing lots of sunflowers. Lupins are good to grow. I've grown them from seed many a times, and it's so easy to grow lupins, absolutely amazing. And you can get some great flowers on them, and they do have a long root on them, so these are perfect. And the final flower is hollyhock, another great flower to grow and easy as well. A lot of these flowers are easier than you actually think when you're growing them, so save yourself some money and buy the seed and grow them yourself. So obviously you can grow lots of other things in them, but those are the main things what you should try growing in them. And obviously, like I said, these are from Oakland Gardens. We got these sent to us, so we're making full use of them. It's the first time I've ever used them this year, and I'm absolutely loving them. They're ideal, very deep and perfect for sowing all my seeds this year. So check them out and give them a try. And remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.